Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Omar Lamy, and my presentation is based on the readings from the Handbook of Learning Analytics written by Lang et al. Learning Analytics. The purpose of learning analytics. Still today, our nation's education system grapples with issues that are very specific to race, socioeconomic, and other factors as conversations and heated debates over topics such as education for students of minority and poorer family backgrounds continue to arise because they make up an enormous portion of America's student population. Thus, when one thinks about education while peering through the panes of these factors, it raises more important questions such as what learning outcomes should schools focus on? Are schools able to close the achievement gaps for children from poorer families? When should schools start word gap intervention and who will fund these programs? The purpose of learning analytics continued. The answer to these questions are important in our ongoing conversations and can most certainly be found in the well-documented strengths of learning analytics, which is the measurement, collection, analysis, and reporting of data about learners and their context for purposes of understanding and optimizing learning and the environments in which it occurs. The role of assessment within organizations. It is often said a picture is worth 1,000 words, and thus I believe the big picture data seen through the lenses of learning analytics is both priceless and precious, with a value beyond comparison to none. After all, to effect real and lasting changes in the field of education, inclusive of, but not limited to pedagogy, program evaluation, and policy making, the use of data cannot be emphasized enough. This is so because the analysis of data brings together data and information in a context that allows researchers to see important patterns, trends, and possible relationships, all of which can be referenced whenever the need arises for making data-driven decisions in relation to learning. In fact, for use and application of data to be an effective transformative tool in education, there ought to be the understanding that learning analytics are a specific incarnation of the bigger shift to an algorithmically per- pervaded society. The frame we place around the relationship of theory to learning analytics must therefore be enlarged beyond considerations of what is normally considered educational theory, to engage with the critical discourse around how socio technical infrastructures deliver computational intelligence in society. In conclusion, with this foundational understanding in mind, we can reference the concepts of learning analytics for usefulness in terms of applications and potential improvements that could be applied to a specific learning environment such as a school. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a great day.